Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this magic mask for face. It's so simple and easy. All we need is 2 tablespoons of rice. We all know how amazing rice is, an ingredient for skincare and hair care. Rice is used nowadays in a lot of commercial skincare and hair care products. Rice is easily available at home and you can simply use it in your skincare recipes. Being one of the primary ingredients in Korean products, rice helps to reduce the pores, brighten the complexion, and tighten the skin. Rice can remove acne scars and can remove hyperpigmentation, dark spots and age spots around your mouth, upper lips, eyes, and entire face and body. We have here milk. The proteins found naturally occurring in milk help boost the elasticity of our skin, so we get fewer wrinkles and they develop slower. Milk also contains retinol, is an antioxidant, and vitamin D, which can help protect our skin from damaging sun rays. So, we need 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch is a natural moisture absorbing powder. This powder is rich in antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which soothe irritated skin and refresh the body. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil can hydrate the skin and help it retain moisture. It may also help reduce inflammation, promote wound healing, and have antibacterial properties. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. The citric acid found in lemon juice brightens your skin, making it look more youthful and radiant. It's also an amazing home remedy for dark spots and acne scars. Well, firstly boil 2 teaspoons of rice in a saucepan with 1 cup of water. And mix it in a blender or food processor. And mix all the ingredients together and keep it in a container. You can store it in the fridge. Apply this mixture on clean skin and leave it for about 25 minutes. And rinse with warm water and moisturize your skin. You can apply this cream on your body too. It's just amazing. Try it twice or thrice a week and you will see the results yourself. Always patch a test before using any natural ingredients or product. And always use organic ingredients in homemade recipes. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.